Changing your username on Swiggy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In your profile settings, look for the option labeled Edit Profile or similar. Click on it to begin the process of changing your username. Step 4. Change your username. Find the username field in the Edit Profile section. Enter your desired new username, ensuring it meets any character requirements set by Swiggy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Click it to confirm your changes and update your username. Once you've completed these steps, your username on Swiggy will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Swiggy's customer support for assistance.